At the product launch of the Huawei Pura 90s series in Midrand on Wednesday, I was blown away by the astonishing camera setup on these new devices, most notably the Pura 90s Pro Max with its massive 200 megapixel telephoto camera. During the presentation, one of the speakers displayed a seemingly innocuous photo of a tree taken in the Kruger National Park on the big screen. First, he zoomed in 4 times and the branches slid crisp and clear into focus. But that wasn't even the true wow moment. He then magnified the shot to 20 times zoom. What had previously appeared to be an unrecognizable blob on a distant branch instantly transformed into an amazingly detailed, razor-sharp picture of a bird looking as though it had been captured with a high-end professional DSLR camera and a massive telephoto lens. While the phone boasts other impressive features, including next-generation 5G performance that runs circles around the competition and significantly upgraded battery life, this camera system is genuinely groundbreaking. The sheer quality of the photo and video output is mind-boggling, giving everyday users the tools to shoot photos that rival professional work.